Hello and welcome back to Tech Goose. Finally, the first unboxing video on the channel. So this is the Logitech MX Anywhere 2S Bluetooth mouse. Now I bought this because my old mouse, the Logitech M557, just stopped working all of a sudden, and honestly I've been having connectivity issues for a while now with this mouse, but I've always been a fan of Logitech mice, so I thought let's try a new one. So let's get right into it. I'm just going to unbox it here. So that looks to be all from in there. That's the mouse. Got the charging cable here. Let's open her up and let's see. Ooh, nice. All right, that looks good. And in here we got the little Bluetooth receiver, which you don't need, but they included anyway. Nice little bonus. Thank you. Let's put that over to the side. Now, let me just charge this right up and connect it to my laptop, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I've connected my mouse, works beautifully, and now I'm just installing the Logitech Options software, which I will tell you about in just a sec. And while I'm doing that, I'm charging the mouse with this power bank. So yeah, alrighty, I'm back, all set up. So this mouse sent me back 58 Australian dollars, down from 98 Australian dollars because of Black Friday sales, which is pretty impressive because it's the same price I paid for my old M557, and honestly that one didn't last very long, so I don't know, I have high hopes for this one. Alright, let's talk features. So obviously it's a Bluetooth mouse, but what I really like is they give you the Bluetooth receiver if you want to use it rather than just pure Bluetooth. But of course I have an XPS 13, I've only got 2 USB ports, so I'll be using the pure Bluetooth. The mouse has a 500 milliamp hour rechargeable battery, lasts up to 70 days on a single charge, and gives you a full day's use on just 3 minutes of charge. Thankfully, they've placed the micro USB port on the front, meaning you can charge it while using it, as you would have seen just before, but on the downside it is just a micro USB port and not USB-C. Moving on to the buttons, it's obviously got the left and right buttons, the scroll wheel in the middle, it has a button on top in front of the LED battery status, and 2 buttons on the side, which are all fully customizable on the Logitech Options app, which can be downloaded on Windows and Mac OS. This is it here. You can switch your buttons, gesture buttons, scrolling buttons, swap left and right buttons. You can choose how fast your pointer speed goes, the scrolling, all this nice stuff. It tells you how much battery you've got. So right now I'm on good battery apparently. And this is the Logitech Flow app within the Logitech Options app, which is where you can do transfers from computer to computer, as you can see there. You can pair the mouse to 3 different devices. So you'll see down here, it's got the 1, 2, and 3. If you can see that, there we go. So back to the scrolling wheel, it has 2 settings. First, normal scrolling, where you'll have the clicking. Let me just go to over here, normal scrolling. And then secondly, if you click down on it, then you'll get hyper fast scrolling, where the wheel basically just doesn't stop scrolling, just keeps going, which is great for when you're scrolling through long documents. Lastly and most importantly, the MX Anywhere 2S tracks on almost any surface, including glass, which is a welcome change from my previous mouse. So this is a pretty smooth surface right here, but it works fantastically. No worries at all. So I'm really excited to start using this. You'll also see right here, 50% battery. So I didn't fully charge it, but I will do that once I'm done here. Back to the design. It's got a really nice feel to it. Really well built, I will say. Rubber on the sides, which makes for a really good grip. And yeah, just really sleek, which is why I bought it, because portability for me is more important than all the fancy buttons the other Logitech mice can do. For example, the Master 3S, that one's a bit more expensive, but also a lot more functional. But this is exactly what I needed for my kind of stuff. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment, and I'll see you all in the next one.